Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Conquest mode on Battlefield Redsec, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play the Conquest mode for free on Battlefield Redsec. So first of all, I'm going to show you that I don't own the game. I'm going to go into Steam. I'll go into Battlefield 6 store. Here you can see I don't own the game. I'm playing Battlefield Redsec. Now I'm going to close the game up. I'm going to go into community, go into browse servers. And if I try to connect to any server, it will tell me to purchase the game, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into filters, come here, write Conquest, click apply filters. Here you need to find a server which says custom on it. Like this one, for example, you're just going to click on it and then keep pressing spacebar or the click key on the server because you may get errors. So just keep spamming your keys and eventually it will connect you to that Conquest mode. I didn't need to press the keys because sometimes it just connects you without any errors. So here you can see I'm actually connected to that Conquest server. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to play the Conquest mode on Battlefield Redsec. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.